Is DeepSeek AI not working for you? Well, you came to the right video. It can be frustrating when the tool doesn't respond, crashes, or refuses to generate results. In this video, we'll go through 3 effective solutions to get DeepSeek AI back up and running quickly. So without wasting your time, let's start right away. The first thing that you'll want to do is to check your internet connection, because that can be one of the problems when the app doesn't work as it should. So I'm going to open my control center since I'm on my iPhone, but you can open your notification center if you're using an Android, and if you're using your mobile data and the app doesn't respond to you, then it's a good idea to switch to a fast and stable internet connection. Or vice versa. If your Wi-Fi connection isn't fast or it's unstable, then turn it off and try switching to your mobile data plan and then restart the DeepSeek application. The app heavily relies on a stable internet connection, so check your internet first. The second solution which I have for you is to open the Google Play Store if you're on your Android device, or you'll want to open the App Store if you're an iOS user, and then search for the DeepSeek app in your store and check if it has any new updates. I've opened DeepSeek in the App Store, and if you see a little update option right here, then just tap on that button and wait until the latest version of the DeepSeek AI is downloaded and installed on your iPhone or Android device. This will ensure that we have all the necessary bug fixes and performance improvements, which should fix your issues. But if you're still having issues even after updating DeepSeek from your designated stores, then maybe you have a bug or some glitch in the app or your phone's software that's causing the issue where the app isn't working. Maybe it's crashing and similar. In order to fix this problem, let's open the settings on our phone. Now, if you're an Android user, find the Apps section. Then you'll want to find DeepSeek and then clear the cache files as well as the app data, and after that, reinstall your application. But if you're an iOS user, find and open the general settings. After that, we'll find this iPhone storage option and open that, which will then give us a list of all the different applications which we have installed on our phone. Your job is to scroll down and then find the DeepSeek application on this list. This will give us an option to offload the app, and that is just what we'll do. This process is going to clear the cache files and all of the unnecessary data which your app may have, and that data may cause the problem. After offloading, simply tap on Reinstall App, and this will force update our app to the latest version, and it will also delete the bugs or glitches which may cause the problem in the first place. So after offloading and reinstalling the app, you'll want to reopen the app and then go check if the app works and responds to your prompts. So check your internet connection and ensure that it's fast and stable. Update the app to the latest version from the app or Google Play Store in order to get the latest bug fixes and performance improvements. And the last step is to offload the app and reinstall it in order to get rid of those bugs or glitches. If the 3 steps didn't work for you for some reason, then that simply means that the issue isn't on your end, but the app probably has problems with some of their servers, or they have a lot of users at the same time, and they can't process all of the requests at once. So all you can do in that case is to wait a couple of hours, and then restart the app later during the day. Please leave a comment down below if you have any other solutions and fixes to this issue, so we can help more people fix the problem where the popular DeepSeek application isn't working. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like on this video because it would really help me out, as well as my channel. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.